Happy Thirsty Thursday! Halloween is around the corner and let's get spooky, spicy, and possibly drunk. Today we're making Strawberry-Habanero Margarita. I have made this recipe many times, but I have never written down. So we will find out measurements together today. So I have around probably 2 cups of strawberries. It's actually maybe 3 cups. So half a cup of lime juice, freshly squeezed. It took me 4 limes to get that half of cup. And let's blend it in a simple blender. So let's blend it. Then I have 2 habanero peppers. Just take off the stems and with seeds, with everything cooked in there. And let's blend again. So I have 3 cups of liquid. So I'll add approximately 1.5 cup of white tequila. And some good amount of simple syrup. Simple syrup amount depends how sweet are your strawberries. So you just blend and try, blend and try. And if you need more sweetness, just add more simple syrup. Or if you don't have simple syrup on the hand, in this recipe, sugar will do the job. Let's blend again. Just to incorporate. It's already so good. Okay, now let's add ice. Have like a good big glass of ice. Let's blend it again. And I would say a little bit more, like maybe half of this one. There you go. Now what we do, I have in one plate simple syrup, and in other plate I have Hawaiian black sea salt. So let's make it spooky. And simple syrup and Hawaiian sea salt. Ooh, already looks spooky. All right. There you go. And let's decorate with some strawberry. There you go. Happy Thirsty Thursday and happy Halloween. Damn, this shit is so good. And look what's what's happening. When the salt reaches the drink, it melts in black like strips. I don't know if you can see, but it looks spooky and Halloweeny. Cheers, happy Thursday.